Joost, all the way from Eindhoven, I think it is, right?
Yeah. Good morning, and thank you for this opportunity. And indeed, the office is in Eindhoven, although I'm today in Best, my hometown.
Which is close to Eindhoven, of
Yeah.
course. Joost, before we kick off, just a little bit more from your end on your role and also what kind of organization PACCAR actually is. Can you elaborate a little bit on that, please, before we kick off?
Yeah. PACCAR is an international holding of truck manufacturers based in Seattle, in Washington, the USA. It has three big truck brands: Kenworth, Peterbilt, and DAF. Kenworth and Peterbilt are truck brands focused on the American market, and DAF is more focused on the European market. I myself work for the division called Global Connected Services, and we collect data from our vehicles and process that into insights for our customers to help them. And I myself lead then a team of architects globally for this division. And I have architects in Europe and North America working together on designing the solutions so that we can transform that data, make it available to our customers, and make sure that we either provide insights or give them the raw data or whatever is needed for them to be successful in their business.
Okay, so you can share with us some real practical challenges, opportunities from your area in your expertise during today's show. So really happy to have you on board, Joost. Thank you already for that. Let's just kick off right away. Digital transformation, AI transformation has a lot of different aspects, of course, lot of different perspectives as well. But it all starts, of course, with the way we organize our decision-making process, right? And then a question, maybe a rather philosophical question I would like to start off with: is AI-driven decision-making, or is it vice versa?
That is indeed an intriguing question.
Just to start off, Joost, with a really blunt question, I would say.
Personally, I believe that AI can facilitate decision making, but should not make the decisions. And maybe that's not a black and white statement, but what I see is that, of course, AI tools are growing in their capabilities, but I would like to be in control. At the same time, when I look in the vehicle, we have their tools, either rules driven or fully AI driven, which help the driver to drive more safely, to drive more efficiently. But in the end, he is in control. He is driving the vehicle, and he needs to make sure that he is traveling safely. But we are happy to support them also with tools like AI and data.
Yeah, because that's an interesting point you make, because in lots of other talks I've been discussing so far the topic about AI and data. What, in your opinion, is, well, maybe the difference or the way it is interlinked to each other, and also in your expertise when it comes to data and AI? You are working in an area in which you collect a lot of data. You are using AI. Can you elaborate a little bit on that? How you see those two areas, data and AI?
Yeah. In my view, AI cannot be done without data. So you need first data, and the better the quality of the data, the better also your AI solution will be.